Meaning of decorum.
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 Decorum. Decorum refers to behavior or actions that show good taste, propriety, and respect for others. It involves following social norms and etiquette, as well as showing consideration for the feelings and opinions of others. This can include dressing appropriately for certain occasions, using polite language, and behaving with dignity and civility. The result of exhibiting decorum is often a positive impression on others, as well as a sense of self-respect and confidence. It can also help to maintain harmony and avoid conflict in social situations.